Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Etsy with Facebook. So at first you have to go to etsy.com and then you have to find your shop at the top right corner, and then in the drop down menu you'll go to shop settings, and then we're going to click on connect with Facebook, and from there you have to put in all of your Facebook information so that you can connect. And after that, what you need to do, go back to your shop, and then from the drop down menu click on about your shop, and then go to members, and then into story right next to it we're going to find the shop link section. So we're going to choose Facebook under link types and put the URL of your Facebook business page, and finally we're going to save. And then what you can do on Facebook is head over to it, and right below your cover photo area you'll see this thing called add a button. So we're going to click on this one, and from there we're going to click on make a purchase and then shop now, and from there a pop-up box will ask to put your URL link, and make sure you put your Etsy URL, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.